Welcome to 1807 Bungalow Road, my newest listing about to hit the market in the extremely desirable community of Summerwalk. If you know the three most important things in real estate are location, 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 and Summerwalk has the location. It does not get better than this. This is a community of luxury townhomes. They're mostly 3-bed, 3 baths, and is a very well-maintained community close to everything. You've got a pool, you've got mindful green space, you have everything you can offer. It's very tight-knit, super desirable. Let me show you inside. All right, as soon as you step inside the front door, you are greeted with this nice little foyer, stairs leading up to the main living area, a garage here on the right. It is a very deep garage, goes back pretty far. And on the first floor, you also have a bedroom, which could be a home office. And you have this closet here for extra storage. Inside is another set of laundry hookups, so you can also have your laundry room down here. But I've seen a lot of people use these as a work from home office or an in-law suite. It has a full bathroom attached right to it. And access to a private deck, which is great for grilling out, hanging out, or just relaxing. So the second floor, the middle floor, is really the meat and potatoes of the house. You've got the primary living area and the kitchen, which I'm standing in right now. Beautiful, beautiful modern kitchen, quartz countertops, little eat-in island situation here. Also, plenty of room for a dining room table, just enough to fit a nice sized family. Also, private access to a second balcony and deck out here. Coming around, you also have your pantry, tons of storage in here for the extra items, stainless steel appliances, and a really nice subway tile backsplash. Everything you could ask for in a modern kitchen. And oh, check out this escalator. Oh, and the escalator comes up on this side. I'm just kidding, there's no escalator. Hurts my knees. Tons of space in the living room, big windows pouring in lots of natural light. Did I mention the tall ceilings? I mean, my reach is right around 8 feet. So you have between 10 and 11 feet. Tons of vertical space. Also have a half bath here. Great, easy convenience for your guests. Tons of extra space here in the living room, and these stairs take you right up to the remaining 2 bedrooms. I'll meet you up there. Right at the top of the stairs, this little landing here, you also have another closet, which has your secondary laundry hookups in it. So you can do laundry here or on the first floor. Thermostat that controls this floor here. You also have your second guest bedroom right across from this master that has its own attached ensuite as well. Now we're stepping into the master. Tall ceilings, tray ceilings, big windows letting in tons of natural light. 2 closets that actually intersect into one big closet. But what I like the most is the master bathroom. Come check this out. When these homes were built brand new, builder offered an optional upgraded bathroom with this beautiful tile and this tile shower with a glass door. This is a really, really nice upgrade that's already done for you. You won't even have to do renovation. So there is absolutely nothing left to be desired here at Summerwalk. There's nothing like this community. I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. Beautiful townhomes with amazing amenities, thoughtfully manicured green space, resort-style pool. Summerwalk is the community for you. It is the best location in town by far, and I'm so excited to bring this listing to market. So if you're interested in living here, contact me to schedule your private tour today.